Good morning students, this is your maths class, and in the last class I had asked you to do up to question number 6 from exercise 10.2. Now today we'll be doing question number 7 from the same exercise. Put the correct sign which is less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, now in question number A it's written rupees 3.65 plus rupees 2.45 is less than, greater than or equal to rupees 3.42 plus rupees 2.64. Now here I made the question ready, okay, and how you will solve it. Okay, now first you will add these amounts separately as I have done here. Okay, rupees 3.65 plus rupees 2.45, you will add them up. 5 plus 5 will be 10. You will carry 1 up. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here 1, you will put this point which separates rupees from paise, okay, over here, and you will carry the 1 up over here. 3 plus 1 will be 4, plus 2 will be 6. Okay, you'll put the rupees sign also down over here. Now in the next part, which is rupees 3.42 plus rupees 2.64, you will again write them in this manner and add them up. 4 plus 2 will be 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 4, again if you don't know how to count, you can count on your fingers, okay, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 0. Again you will put the point mark over here which separates rupees from paise, okay, and you will carry the 1 above over here. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 5, 6. Rupees 6.06. Now which is greater, rupees 6 rupees 10 paise or 6 rupees 6 paise? Which one is greater? This is greater. Now you will put a greater sign over here. This amount is greater than this amount. Okay, now similarly you will solve these two B and C questions. Okay, now we'll be also learning about multiplication of money. Multiplication of money is the same as multiplication of any two numbers. When multiplying rupees and paise by a number, write rupees and put a point in the answer 2 places from the right. 2 places from the right. Okay, here in this case, in example 9, multiply rupees 47.25 by 9. 9 5s are 45. Okay, now I want to also say that some of you, I've seen your answers, some of you have not shown this work, the carrying of the number to the next number. Here in subtraction you can see here the lower number is, the number below is greater than the number above in both the cases. So you are carrying from 9, you are cutting this 9, making it 8 and carrying 1 over here. This will be 13, but you want to carry one more number over here, so this will be 12 and this will be 14. So I've seen your work. If you don't show this type of work on your answer paper, okay, even if your answer is correct, your marks will be deducted. Okay, you will get lesser marks for not showing the complete work. Okay, so you have to show this type of work. I'm talking about this type of work. You have to show this type of work. Okay, now here 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 will be 22. Okay, now you'll write 2 over here, and you will put 2 points after here. What they are saying, write in, put a point in the answer 2 places from the right, 2 places from the right. This is your right hand side, 2 places, 1 2 point. You put a point over here, or you can put right away point over here, since you have calculated the paise part over here. Multiplication, you have done your multiplication to the paise part over here. Okay, 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, plus 4 will be 22. So you have already multiplied the paise part from the amount over here. So you put the point over here, and now 9 7s are is wait a minute. Okay, 9 7s are is 63. Okay, you keep on multiplying the numbers, okay, with 9. 9 7s are is 63. Now 63 plus 2 will be 65. So you'll put 5 over here and carry 6 to the next number. Okay, now 4 9s are or 9 4s are is 36. 36 plus 6 will be 42. Okay, so your answer is rupees 425 paise, rupees and 25 paise. Again, your answer will be rupees 425.25 paise. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, in the similar manner, they have again multiplied 1.25 with 7. Okay, here they are multiplying 125 paise by 7. Okay, so you know that 125 paise is 1.25 rupees, 1 rupee, sorry, rupee 1.25 paise. Okay, since 100 paise makes 1 rupee, so you will write 1 rupee. Now leftover is 25 paise, so you have written here 25 paise. Okay, now they have multiplied over here. 7 5s is 35. You will carry 3 above. 7 2s is 14. 14 plus 3 will make you 17. Now you'll write 7 over here and carry 1 to the next number. Now here you have got points, so you will put point over here. Okay, now 7 1s are 7 plus 1 will be 8. So rupees 8.75 paise is your answer. Okay, now here you can see here multiply 21 paise by 3. Okay, now 3 1s are 3. Okay, 3 2s is 6. Now you have got 63 paise. Now how will you write this in rupees? So you will write rupees 0.63. Okay, if you have got 2-digit numbers with paise, now if there was 3-digit number, you could have converted it into rupees. Okay, but here you do not have 3-digit number over here, since, and this is paise, you will just write 0.63. Okay, rupees 0.63. Now in exercise 10.3, question number 1, it's written multiplies 26 paise by 2. You will write that in this way. Okay, you will work it out in your copy in this way. 6 2s or 2 6s is 12. Okay, you will carry 1 above. 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 52. Now your answer is 52 paise. Okay, similarly you will work out these numbers. Okay, in this case, in question number E, okay, you have got 3-digit, or in question number C you have got 3-digit number. Okay, here you will, how will you do this and write the answer? I'll show you here in the copy. Okay, first I'll write the question and continue with the video. Okay, now in this type of question you have got 3-digit number over here with the paise written after it. Okay, and you are multiplying it by 5. So you have got 123 paise and you are multiplying it by 5. 5 3s is 15, 1. You'll carry 1 above to the next number. 5 2s is 10 plus 1 will be 11. You'll write 1 over here and carry the next one to the other number. 5 1s is 5 plus 1 is 615. Now in this case you will write 615 paise, or you can even write, now you know 100 paise will make 1 rupees, so 600 paise, leave this 15 for a moment, 600 paise will make rupees 6, and you have got 15 left, so 0.50. okay, when you get 3-digit answer while multiplying, okay, in any of these questions, you will first write it in this way, in paise, and you will write or, and you will convert it into rupees and write the answer. Okay, now in question number 2, multiply and express the answer in rupees. I'll do question number A for you. 32 paise by 3. Okay, now 3 2s is 6, 3 3s is 9 paise. Okay, or you can even write here, answer will be, they've said multiply and express the answer in rupees. So you have got only 96 paise over here, so you'll write rupees 0.96. You have to express the answer in rupees in question number 2, so you'll write over here. In question number B, you can easily write the answer in rupees because they have already given you the amount to multiply in rupees. C, also in C, they have given you the amount in rupees, so you will get the answer. Okay, now in D, you have got 3-digit number, okay, and you have to multiply it by 6 and give the answer in rupees. Okay, so in this type of question, 7 6 or 6 7 is 42. okay, you'll carry 4 above. 6 0 is 6 zeros is 0, you'll bring down the 4. okay, 6 1s is 6. Now you have to write this answer in rupees, so leave this 42, you have got 600 over here. 600 paise is 6 rupees. Now you bring down the 42 with after 0.42 paise. okay, now in question number 2, there is another type of question where it's given 0.85 rupees by 2. You are multiplying it by 2. okay, so 8 5s or 5 2s is 10. Sorry, 2 5s or 5 2s is 10. okay, you take 1 above. Now 2 8s or 8 2s is 16 plus 1 will make 7. okay, you'll take 1 over here. Now here you have got point, so you'll put the point over here. okay, now 2 zeros is 0 plus 1 will make 1. okay, now your answer will be, they have already said multiply the and express the answer in rupees. You have already got the answer in rupees, so rupee 1.70 is your answer for question number E. Now in question number 3 of this exercise 10.3, you have got the numbers in boxes and you have to write the answer over here in point after calculating these numbers. okay, now again here you are multiplying them. 6 5s is, or 5 6 is 30, so you'll write 0 over here and carry 3 to the next number. 6 1s 6 and 7 8 9. Okay, now 6 6 is 6 6 is 36, so you'll put 6 over here and carry 3 above here. Okay, now 6 2 is 12 plus 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. So you'll write 1 5 over here. Okay, so you have to write it in rupees, so you'll write rupees 156.90 paise. Okay, you'll show the work. Okay, the carrying of the numbers to the next number if you have to carry the number. Okay, and you will write the answer in this manner. Okay, so you will do rest of the question in question number 3. Okay.